Thank you, AI, Annalise. Artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize our world and become faster and better than us at many things.
Welcome to our exploration of the global AI race in 2025, where the United States, China, and the European Union compete for supremacy. With each region deploying unique strategies and innovations, we dive into what makes each a contender and how AI is reshaping their global standings. Why LLMs matter? Large language models, LLMs, represent a significant breakthrough in artificial intelligence, capable of producing text that mirrors human writing styles. These models are not just tools for automating tasks, but are pivotal in driving innovation across various sectors, including healthcare, where they can manage patient data and assist in diagnosis, education, where they personalize learning and provide tutoring at scale, and entertainment, where they revolutionize content creation, from writing scripts to composing music. The implications of LLMs extend beyond mere technological enhancements, influencing global economies and geopolitical landscapes. As nations seek to leverage these models to gain a competitive edge, the technology becomes central to shaping the future of digital governance and global tech leadership. The US, China, and the EU are heavily investing in these technologies, recognizing that mastery over LLMs could dictate economic dominance and cultural influence on a global scale. As we delve deeper into the capabilities and impacts of these powerful AI tools, it's essential to understand the landscape in which these superpowers operate. The US, China, and the EU each bring distinct approaches to the development and deployment of LLMs, ranging from the US's innovation-driven model to China's government-led initiatives and the EU's focus on ethical standards. This segment sets the stage to explore how each region is harnessing the power of LLMs to reshape their societal and economic structures, thus positioning themselves in the global AI race. United States. The current leader, the United States continues to dominate the global AI landscape, thanks largely to its established tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. These companies are at the forefront of developing advanced large language models such as GPT-4 and Bard, which are setting new benchmarks in AI capabilities. GPT-4, for example, powers a wide range of applications, from sophisticated chatbots that improve customer service to tools that enhance creative content generation across various media. Google's Bard, on the other hand, is seamlessly integrated into the company's expansive service offerings, enhancing user interactions and providing tailored information across its platforms. This technological supremacy is supported by a robust ecosystem that includes significant funding for AI research, cutting-edge infrastructure, and a conducive policy environment that drives innovation. However, the sector is not without its challenges. The United States faces growing scrutiny over ethical concerns, data privacy issues, and the broader societal impacts of AI technology. This has led to increased calls for regulation, which could potentially stifle the pace of innovation. Despite these challenges, the future outlook for AI in the United States remains positive. The country is well positioned to maintain its leadership position thanks to its ability to innovate and adapt. However, it will need to carefully balance this drive for technological advancement with the need to address ethical considerations and regulatory requirements, which are becoming increasingly important as AI technologies become more deeply integrated into the fabric of everyday life. China, the fast follower. China has rapidly ascended in the global AI arena, primarily through substantial governmental support and a strong focus on adapting AI technologies to meet domestic needs. Chinese tech giants like Baidu and Alibaba are spearheading developments, particularly in tailoring AI to enhance Chinese language and cultural relevancy. Baidu's ErnieBot, for example, is a critical component in the company's search and e-commerce platforms, providing nuanced language understanding that greatly enhances user experience. Moreover, China's approach extends to educational technologies, where AI-driven platforms are being used to deliver personalized learning experiences to millions of students across the country. This vast deployment showcases the potential of AI in large-scale education systems, reflecting the government's strategic aim to integrate AI deeply into societal frameworks. However, China's AI development faces significant challenges, notably in terms of international relations and trade. Export restrictions and geopolitical tensions have limited access to advanced hardware and software, compelling Chinese companies to innovate independently from Western technologies. This restriction has spurred a surge in domestic production and development of AI technologies, positioning China as a potential leader in creating a self-reliant AI ecosystem. Europe, the ethical pioneer. Europe stands out in the global AI race by championing ethical standards and regulatory compliance in AI development. This focus is exemplified by projects like Bloom and Aleph Alpha, which prioritize transparency, multilingual support, and alignment with strict privacy laws like the GDPR. Bloom, for instance, supports 46 languages and facilitates international collaboration and research, showcasing the EU's commitment to inclusive and ethical AI technologies. Aleph Alpha, on the other hand, focuses on providing explainable AI services to enterprises, ensuring that AI's decision-making processes are transparent and accountable. The European Union's approach to AI extends beyond technical prowess, embedding ethical considerations deeply into the fabric of AI development. This has led to AI models that are not only technologically advanced, but also align with broader societal values concerning privacy and fairness. However, this ethical stance does not come without its challenges. Europe's AI sector often grapples with fragmented funding sources and a reliance on infrastructure and innovations primarily developed outside of its borders, particularly in the United States. Despite these hurdles, the future outlook for AI in Europe is optimistic. The region is likely to solidify its position as a global leader in the development of ethical and domain-specific AI technologies. By setting high standards for privacy and ethical considerations, Europe is poised to influence global AI regulations and practices. This leadership in ethical AI could give Europe a significant advantage as nations worldwide begin to prioritize these aspects in technology deployment, potentially setting global standards that align with European models. Predictions for 2025. As we look toward the future of AI in 2025, the landscape is likely to see significant shifts in leadership and innovation across the globe. The United States, currently a dominant force, is expected to continue leading in terms of technological innovation. However, it will need to navigate the complex interplay of pushing the boundaries of AI while adhering to increasing regulatory measures. This balance might slow down some of the rapid advancements, but will potentially lead to more sustainable and ethically aligned innovations. China, on the other hand, is set to expand its influence not just within its borders, but across Asia. The nation's efforts to create an independent AI hardware ecosystem could break its reliance on Western technology, fostering a unique and self-sufficient AI industry. This move could position China as a new center of AI innovation, particularly in applications tailored to Asian markets and beyond. Europe's focus on ethical and domain-specific AI is expected to set a global benchmark for regulation and deployment. The EU might not only influence international standards, but also drive the adoption of AI technologies that prioritize transparency, accountability, and public trust. This could see Europe leading in sectors where ethical considerations are paramount, such as public health and governmental AI. As the AI landscape evolves, the US, China, and EU continue to shape its future. Each region's approach, from America's innovation to China's self-sufficiency and Europe's ethical standards, will determine their roles in this technological race, influencing how AI will impact society and global power dynamics in the coming years.
Thank you for watching Top AI. See you in the next AI story.